There are so many YouTube channels earning money by uploading such interesting facts. Each video garners over 1 million views. If you watch one of these videos, you'll notice they employ voiceovers and stock footage. You too can produce this type of video. However, the challenge lies in finding ideal video footage for each scene and obtaining high-quality voiceovers. No need to worry, as today I will disclose how to create such engaging videos using AI. Please watch the video until the end. Let's begin. This is Pictory AI, a text-to-video generator. You can create captivating videos with your text prompt. Click on Free Trial if you don't have an account, and create a new free account. Alright, after creating your account, you will find 4 options. The first one is Script to Video. With this tool, you can create a video from a script. Then the Article to Video tool. This tool allows you to create a video by pasting a single blog link. Quite interesting. Next, it's Edit Video with Text. It's basically an AI-based video editor tool. And finally, it's Visual to Video. With this tool, you can create a slideshow with images and shorts video. Today, we will use Script to Video. Click on Proceed. Now we have to enter our video script. And for an engaging video script, I will take the help of ChatGPT. You can notice my GPT chatbot may be looking a little bit different from you. I am using a prompt guide for better output. You can notice I have an option YouTube video script generator. With this prompt guide, I am able to create engaging video script with just a single keyword. Now the question is, where can you find this prompt guide tool? The answer is so simple. Just open a new tab on your browser and search for APROM for ChatGPT, and then click on the Google extension link. Now add the extension to your browser. I have already installed the extension. Okay, now come back to ChatGPT and select the YouTube script creator prompt. Then enter your keyword. This time I am writing interesting facts about USA. You can notice ChatGPT has generated a full YouTube video script. It also suggested a title for this video, even gave visual suggestions for every scene. That's impressive. Okay, now copy the whole script and paste it into a doc file, because we have to customize the script. Now delete the unnecessary part of this script. Then cut the title and paste it into the Pictory video title. After that, delete all the scene suggestions from the script. After completing the process, copy the script and paste it into the Pictory AI script box. Then click on the Proceed button from here. Now you will find a vast number of video templates. It's not a very important part of video creation. Just select one template, and then select your video's aspect ratio. As I am creating a video for YouTube, I am selecting 16:9. Now Pictory will take some time for creating scenes and matching the visuals. Let's skip this part. This is the Pictory Storyboard Video Editor. You can notice Pictory AI creates some scenes and adds stock footage for every scene. Now we will customize the video to make it more captivating. Select the first scene. You can split every scene, and I would suggest splitting the scene where is a long scene. For splitting the video, just place the cursor where you want to split and then click on the split screen. Now our scene 1 has been divided into 2 scenes. There is a problem. Now the visual will be the same for both of our scenes. If you change one scene's footage, another scene's footage will be changed automatically. To avoid this, click on the link icon from here and unlink the scenes. Now for changing video footage from any scene, select the footage and then click on Visual from the left tool panel. Here you will find a vast number of stock footage. Some keywords are also available basis on our scene script. Select the best keyword suitable to our scene and then select the best footage for our scene. Okay, let's move to the second scene. Change the footage in the same way, and then do it for other scenes. Alright, our scene customization is now completed. Now we need to add high-quality voice to our video. Before that, I will remove the caption of the video. For doing this, click on the caption icon from here. Okay, let's move for the voiceover generator. Click on the audio button from the tool panel. Here you will find a vast number of background music. Select a piece of background music if you want. Then click on voiceover tab. You can add your own voiceover also. Alright, now select a voice model from the voice model library. You will find more than 200 voice models in different languages and accents. After all is set, download the video. Before that you can preview the video. Okay, let's download the video. Simply click on the download button from here. Pictory AI will take some time. Let's skip this part. Alright, our video is now ready for download. Click on the download button to save the video on your device. After downloading the video, I will add subtitles to our video. If you don't want to add subtitles, then skip this part. And for adding subtitles, I will use a free video editor tool, CapCut. There is an online version also available. If you don't have CapCut on your device, you can use the online version also. Import the video, just created by Pictory AI. Now click on the text button from here, and then select Auto Caption. After that, select your video language, and then hit the Create button. CapCut generated the caption within a second. Now I will make some customizations to make the caption more eye-catching and readable. Alright, come to the text tab from here. Change the font. Always select bold and sharp font. Then adjust the font color and size. After that, add a stroke effect to make the caption always readable. After adjusting the font, we will add animation to our caption. Click on the Animation tab and select an animation. After all is set, click on the Export button. And our video is now ready. Let's enjoy the final product.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the incredible United States of America. Get ready to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed and inspired. From iconic landmarks to quirky traditions, the USA has something for everyone. So, without further ado, let's dive into these fascinating facts. Number 1. Land of Wonders. Our first stop takes us to the breathtaking Grand Canyon, a true testament to the Earth's natural beauty. Did you know that the Grand Canyon is around 277 miles long and over a mile deep? It's like nature's own masterpiece, and a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 2. Cultural melting pot. Moving on to our next fact. The USA is a true cultural melting pot. With people from all over the world calling it home, the diversity here is unparalleled. Over 350 languages are spoken across the nation, creating a rich tapestry of traditions, food, and celebrations. Number 3. Technological marvels. Fasten your seatbelts for this one. The USA is the birthplace of some of the world's most renowned technological innovations. From Silicon Valley's tech giants to NASA's space exploration endeavors, this country has been a pioneer in pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Number 4. Land of Firsts. Get ready to be amazed by the fact that the USA is a land of firsts. It's here that the first successful airplane flight took place. The first electric light bulb was invented. And even the first internet message was sent. Innovation truly knows no bounds here. Number 5. Iconic American cuisine. Let's take a flavorful detour and explore the delectable world of American cuisine. Did you know that the USA is the birthplace of mouth-watering treats like the classic hamburger, crispy potato chips, and indulgent chocolate chip cookies? Your taste buds are in for a treat. Number 6. Spectacular national parks.
Now you can upload the video on YouTube and earn passive money. Alright, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of YouTube video creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!